Good morning again. Yep, finishing my second cup of coffee here. I love this mug because my dogs are the reason I wake up every morning. Really freaking early every single morning. So, the girls, as you can see, are still wiped out from being so active yesterday, running on the beach, sniffing the sticks, sniffing seaweed, sniffing everything that was out there, and meeting new people. So, they slept well last night and they're still sleeping. But man, this is great having my table back, the couch up, all this extra room that I didn't have when the bed was out for 6 months on our road trip. So I'm enjoying this again. Well, we're ready to take off and head farther down the Oregon coast, across the Astoria Bridge, across the wide Columbia River. Right now the marine layer has moved in and you can't tell the difference between the sky and the ocean. Everything's one pastel color, blue-gray. The only thing that stands out is the green trees. So typical Washington weather. We were enjoying ourselves. The girls consider this their second home, I think. They're so comfortable in it. So we're gonna take off here real soon. We're heading down the Oregon coast to one of my favorite stops and get one of my favorite RV'N sandwiches. So stay tuned and watch where we go next. So here we are crossing the Astoria Bridge from the Ilwaco, Washington area to Astoria, Oregon. Looking ahead here, it looks like this bridge goes right up into heaven to the cloud layer. This is pretty impressive if you've never crossed this bridge before. It's really amazing to just realize how wide the Columbia River is here at the mouth as it empties into the Pacific Ocean. Well, my mouth is already watering for that RV'N sandwich that's waiting for me down the road here for lunchtime. Looking forward to that. It's always delicious. They do it so well. In fact, Blue Heron Cheese Factory here in Tillamook, down the road, is always a great, friendly place to stop overnight. Or just stop in and look over all their goods. Check out the crazy animals, the weird machinery they have around. It's just I think a unique place on the Oregon coast to stop, take a break, and explore. Coming up to a tunnel, you know what that means. Honk, 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 honk. Yeah. Gotta do it, man. Done that since childhood. The family went through all the tunnels. It's not being rude, it's just a throwback to a better childhood. Alright. Oregon coast here still foggy. No wind though, that's nice. Here we are at the Oswald West turnout on the Oregon coast, Highway 101. And you can see the marine layer is getting thicker. There's the beach way down there. Here's some information about the Oswald West turnoff viewpoint. You can pause and zoom up on it. It's very interesting to know what our pioneer forefathers went through to settle the West Coast. Here we are. We made it to the location. Blue Heron. It's not quite lunchtime. So I think we're going to walk around. I'll show you what there is here. And then I'm going to go in for lunch and have my RV'N sandwich. Here's a little petting zoo here. They got a pile of rocks for the billy goats to climb up on. They got geese, huge fat potbelly pig over there. I think that's a sheep of some type there. Looks like they even got a llama way over there. And over here we have larger animals like cattle. There's a big peacock showing itself off. And those funny little guinea hens, I think they're called, running around here like they got motorboats in their butts. Very interesting. That's a much nicer entrance into Blue Heron. I took the first one heading south. I should have gone down here to the nice newer paved one. But this huge area out here on the other side of the white fence is newly developed, and it's for Harvest Host members to pull out and camp overnight. Here's the sign for all you that are Harvest Hosts. I tell you, I love being a Harvest Host member. This is the new landscaping they have here now. Picnic table areas. They have a candy shop over there now. At one time that was an art gallery, then a business building for them, and now it's turned into a candy company. And they've got all kinds of candies in there. Like I said, they have lighting up here for evenings. Nicely landscaped now. Plenty of places to sit and eat. They got, I guess it's called cornhole games. They have done a great deal with this place, improving it constantly over the decades that I've been coming here up and down the coast. Once I discovered it, I never went back to Tillamook Cheese Factory, that's for sure. So let's go in and see what's going on. There's a collection of everything here, and the smell is fantastic. They have an ice cream shop here also. So let's go into the main part of the building. Go back here to their wine tasting bar. Smells great back here. And then we're looking towards the restaurant area. We'll just walk through here. There's so much to see. So many things to taste and try. Have their deli here where you order your sandwiches, and then they're taken back to you in the little seating area back here. But you can see they have all kinds of cheeses, meats. It's just really nice. But there's so many delicious things here. Here's all the drinks they have available. And here is the seating area. Once you order your meal from the deli, come back here and sit, and they deliver it to you. It's delicious. Thick, gooey. Look at that. That delicious. Oh. Heaven. You gotta try this when you come. Oh, so good. finger licking book. Well, I'm going to pause here and finish this off. And of course, at the far end here is their wine tasting section. They have many good wines to taste and get flights of. All right, I'm going to try some wine again. Well, since going in, having lunch, and buying some supplies, the sun's broke out. It's got warm quick, and the cooler fan is on in the RV. That's what you hear. But I just couldn't get out of that place without doing the wine tasting and buying some of their great spreads and salad dressings and stuff. It was a toss-up between the Riesner and the Gewürztraminer, and I felt the Gewürztraminer I could drink more of with more food. So I took a bottle of Gewürztraminer, then I got a bottle of their blue cheese house dressing and various mustards and jams for sandwiches. So I'm set. Now I checked in as Harvest host, and I'm gonna go back here and find me a place to camp, let the girls out in the grass and relax. Sarah has gone bonkers over all the birds out here in the field and the peacocks and all the critters in the petting farm that are making a racket. Boy, does she want to go on a hunt. Well, after the girls have explored and chased after birds and such in the new camping area we're at, they spend another part of the day just sleeping and enjoying life. Mostly sleeping. So, as the girls and I always say, we wish you happy trails and woof woof. See you later.